Andromeda district has decided to wholesale our vertical garden system. First, I don't know how many of you know that Andromeda district is actually a manufacturer of vertical garden systems, and we have specialized in the installation and design of these systems for the last 10 years. Our mission has been to create sustainable, greener spaces full of life and biodiversity, helping our habitat create life out of concrete jungles. So we have built the largest green wall in North America. We have also built over 120,000 square feet of greenery in walls that were otherwise just concrete voided spaces. We work with Levi's, with the Four Seasons, hotels, restaurants, and this is essentially happening everywhere around the world. We are creating a beautiful business that in turn has come to aid and come to help our environment, creating beautiful designs with natural spaces, creating beautiful designs with essentially plants. We are very proud of the work that we have done, but what we want to do right now is support other individuals, other businesses all around the United States. If you are thinking about creating your own company or changing industries, or if you are already working with landscape, we invite you to take a look at our vertical garden system. We guarantee it for a lifetime. We actually make this system here in the United States, so it's made here in the US. It's patented also and protected. If you would like to become a member, if you'd like to become a partner with us, we invite you to reach out to us. Go to our website at www.andromedadistrict.com. I think and I know that this is the future, especially for generations to come. We're here to help our world transition into a more greener and a more sustainable planet.